Hello everyone, welcome to Supreme GIS. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to clip a topo sheet or area of interest. This colored portion is our area of interest and we want to clip it. For that, we need a polygon shapefile. So, we go to the layer, create layer, click new shapefile layer, geometry type is polygon, file name is clip one I am keeping, save, rest, all is okay. Then right click on clip 1, toggle editing, click on this polygon and first double click on this pencil and choose this outline symbol. Apply, okay. Now it is more visible what we are creating. First click on this crosswire, zoom out, then again zoom out, click on third point, then on fourth point and right click on your mouse. Okay. ID you can give 1 or you can keep it as default. It's up to you. Okay. Save layer edits and you can you can put off editing by clicking this pencil, or you can right click and click on this toggle editing. It will put off the editing. Okay. Now what you have to do, you just have to go to the raster and extraction, clip raster by mask layer. Okay, input, we have used this 55E by 8 modify and clip 1, see clip 1 and clip 1 is also here. You can choose it, but this is our file. Then you have to if you want to save it, just click save to file, and this is T5E8 dot tiff. Oh, right. See, simply you have created your area of interest. Thank you. I hope you like this video and please like, share and subscribe Supreme GIS.